Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see story replies history on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Instagram, you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. Click on it, and after this you can click on three lines icon at the top, and in here you just click on this your activity, so you just click on it, and after this in here you just click on the interaction, this one, click on it, and in here you just click on story replies. And now in here you can see story reply history on Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.